Open the wood case by unlocking the latches. Remove the front part of the wood case followed by its cover. Examine the information on the checklist to organize all of the components. Remove the phone protectors and the M case's legs. Carefully remove the MK from the case and lay it on a padded surface, placing it with the lenses facing up. Assemble the M case's legs by screwing the black portion onto the brown wood portion. Attach all 4 legs to the bottom of the MK device. Once it's assembled and secure, lift the device and place it on the floor. Remove the black case and the lens cover. Connect the power cable to a power plug. Switch on the device and enjoy the immersive experience.